This recording is with regards to fractions. So here we have 1 subtract, and in a bracket you have 1/30 plus 4/15. And the question says expressed as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we know through the rule of PEMDAS, we must do what's in the bracket first. So as you can see, in math, PEMDAS is an acronym for the order of operations used to evaluate an expression. It stands for brackets, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we must do what's in the brackets first before we subtract. So in the bracket, we have to add 1/30 plus 4/15. Now, to add fractions, you must achieve a common denominator. The denominator must be common so that you can add and subtract fractions. So as you can see, it says, in order to add and subtract fractions, ensure the fractions have a common denominator. Add or subtract the numerators, and then write the answer as a fraction in the simplest form. So after the denominator has been common, then you can add or subtract the numerators, maintaining the common denominator. So as you can see, to achieve a common denominator, we can simply multiply the fraction 4/15 by 2, both the numerator and the denominator. So 15 by 2 will give us 30, and 4 by 2 will give us 8. So 4/15 has been converted to a similar fraction as, which is 8/30, which has a common denominator of 30, the 1 and the 30. So therefore we can simply add the 1 and the 8 and maintaining the common denominator of 30. As it says, add or subtract the numerators, okay, maintaining the common denominator. So 1 plus 8 will give us 9, 9/30. And this is our result of the two fractions in the bracket. Now remember, we've got to subtract this from 1. So we're going to do 1 minus 9/30. So now we are subtracting a whole number by a fraction, and we can make that whole number, which is 1, as a fraction, put it as 1/1. So we have 1/1 minus 9/30. Now we need a common denominator of 30. So we multiply both the denominator of 1 and the numerator of 1 by 30 so that we can get a common denominator of 30. So now we have 30/30 minus 9/30. And as we said before, you add or subtract the numerators. So we have to subtract 30 minus 9. 30 minus 9 will give us 21/30. And remember, the question says we must put our answer in its simplest form. So we can simplify 21/30 by dividing by 3, the highest common factor of 21 and 30. So we divide the numerator by 3. We divide 21 by 3. And we divide the denominator of 30 by 3 so that we can simplify this fraction of 21/30. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 30 divided by 3 is 10. So our final answer is 7/10.